Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 38. On this page, children, you are going to read and write the sentences. Look at this, children. This is a doll. Listen again, children. This is a doll. Listen one more time, children. This is a doll. Now say with me, children. This is a doll. Say again, children. This is a doll. Look at this, children. These are apples. Listen one more time, children. These are apples. Listen again, children. These are apples. Now say with me, children. These are apples. Say again, children. These are apples. Look at this, children. The boy is eating. Listen again, children. The boy is eating. Listen one more time, children. The boy is eating. Now say with me, children. The boy is eating. Say again, children. The boy is eating. Look at this, children. The zebra is running. Listen again, children. The zebra is running. Listen one more time, children. The zebra is running. Now say with me, children. The zebra is running. Say again, children. The zebra is running. Look at this, children. This is a black elephant. Listen again, children. This is a black elephant. Listen one more time, children. This is a black elephant. These are blue plates. Listen again, children. These are blue plates. Listen one more time, children. These are blue plates. Now say with me, children. These are blue plates. Say again, children. These are blue plates. Children, now you have to write these sentences on these 4 lines by yourself. This is a doll, and we have the sentence, this is a doll, on these 4 lines. These are apples. Children, you have to write the sentence, these are apples, in between these 4 lines by yourself. The boy is eating. Children, you have to write the sentence, the boy is eating, in between these 4 lines by yourself. The zebra is running. Children, you have to write the sentence, the zebra is running, in between these 4 lines by yourself. This is a black elephant. Children, you have to write, this is a black elephant, in between these 4 lines by yourself. These are blue plates. Children, you have to write, these are blue plates, in between these 4 lines by yourself. Let's say all the sentences again, children. This is a doll. These are apples. The boy is eating. The zebra is running. This is a black elephant. These are blue plates. Children, you have to write all the sentences on these given 4 lines by yourself. This was our page number 38.